So you are getting ready to move, getting ready to sell your house, put it up for sale, and you just need some touch-ups done. That is the story for this customer. So we're going to go in, do an estimate, and then we will talk about what we were doing. We'll do a video when we sell the job, and then we'll come back and tell you what we're charging and what they're going to pay for what we're doing. All right, so we're going to start this project up with the master suite. The house is being listed in 30 days, so we are painting before it goes up. So here's the one part in the bedroom that's got whatever they did to it. Don't know. It's solid. I think it was a faux finish, honestly, but I don't know. So we're going to skim coat this area. It's about that big. We'll skim coat it, and then all the walls we'll repaint, and we're going to repaint the walls the same color as the foyer. In the closet, it'll be harder to tell. There's just a gap in the trim in this corner here, but we'll caulk that and give it a little bit of paint. And then as we come out, we are doing the foyer. So all the blue is going to go the same color as they painted that front office. It's an off grayish. 2 coats, not painting the ceilings, just the walls. We're going to come in here and we're going to touch up just ceiling paint, just that little blue that's on there, and a little bit of the baseboard there, and then the trim that's on that door frame. And then the white, we will also do a quick touch up on this access panel to clean that up. And then as we go downstairs, the blue kind of continues a little bit in here. So we'll paint this blue wall and paint this blue wall up to the corner. And then this office, we're not painting the walls, but we are going to fix that ceiling. And when we fix that, we're going to cut out a little bit extra, see if we can match the ceiling paint. And if we can, there's 2 grease spots here in the ceiling. See if we can touch that up with the ceiling paint. It should be the same paint, and hopefully just touch it up. Again, we're selling, so just to make that go away. If it doesn't go away, then we'll shoot it with primer and paint the whole ceiling, but that is an option. And then the main part, again, where that blue is, we'll go to that corner of the fireplace. We will not paint that wall. And then again, from this corner over and this wall, we'll paint same as the foyer color. This office, a little bit of drywall repair, just where some of the holes, not a ton. You can see the old ones. So we'll fix those, fix these, fix that, and then repaint the walls that are in here, 1 coat. And then again, this is the same colors up front. So that is the project that we will be working on. And again, they're listing it to sell. Oh, the other part is trim. So I just put in 8 hours, 1 person, go around the brush, go around with white paint, and just touch up trim. And it's just a little stuff, just, getting rid of this, cleaning a little line here. There's a little bit of paw print on the sill there. Just one day, take your time, go around, and all these little touch-ups that are on the trim. We're giving them 8 hours for it. If we can't do, try and put tape down, and we'll paint the top rail of that. Some of this stuff here, giving a color. We don't have this color, so we'll just get something close. We'll have to go end to end and just section off. Again, touch-ups. We want it to look good for pictures and try and create that turnkey thing that people want. They move in and they get in the house they want and have to do work. All right, so we just get done presenting the estimate to them. So they accepted. We're gonna get this painted. They're not really under the gun, but they just want to get it done. And they loved our Google reviews, and the fact neighbor across the street used this a couple years ago. So it's kind of nice having a friendly face in the neighborhood to put the face in the name. So we presented, it was about $200 as far as what the price was. And then they're gonna do a couple potential add-ons, a couple ceilings. They had some spots. We're gonna try and touch them up. If we can't touch them up, then they want that painted. A couple of the rooms, we were just gonna do some touch-ups to just do 1 walls. They want to go ahead and just paint all the walls so they're all the same. So that is what we're doing. It's be about $5,700 when everything's said and done. The ceiling, we won't know till we do the touch-ups. So if you have a house and you are getting ready to sell it and need some painting done, painter for a day or just going in through, love to see how we can help you with that project, and put on a link, schedule an estimate, and we'll talk to you soon. You guys have a great day and God bless.